So this is the third day of the Nepal Tourism Cycle Yatra 2078 Samvat, and we are starting from Budar and going to a waterfall, which is a very famous waterfall here, Jharna. The cyclists have already reached there. I and Ravinder are going on the motorbike toward the Jharna. This road has got a lot of loose gravel, so we're going very slow because the traction can be an issue. But the sun is shining brightly, so it's pretty nice, the nip and the warmth together. So this was quite a challenging drive because there was loose gravel throughout, and then the gradient was pretty extreme, and I have a pillion rider also with me, so I've been treading very cautiously. We are now reaching the place called Jharna, which is basically the waterfall, the rapids. There you go. There we have our cycling group, organizers, everybody. पैर में लगेगा आपके?
So this was quite a sight. Chilled cold water splashed over the bike's engine, and due to condensation this looks smoking hot.
This is turning out to be one of the best rides that I've done in this trip. Very steep downhill gradient with the loose gravel and a pillion, and now there's a little water crossing. Obviously I was not prepared for it because I'm not wearing shoe covers, so I got a lot of water inside my shoes, but it's okay because we have a hotel nearby and we'll go and change my socks.
We now have 2 kilometers of off-roading, so enjoy this as I play Mana Ho Tum on my keyboard for you.
बकरी हमसे रेस करती है. Wow, what a walk there by the goat, the real goat. Nice off-roading. I think my experience in Gurgaon in the Leopard Trail has come very handy, because that was easily tougher than this, given the gradient and the loose soil. But here only thing is very damp also. There's another level of challenge, but negotiated very nicely. And the challenge here this time is that I have a pillion, so the weight on the bike is double this time. You cannot possibly do this with alloy wheels. That is why you have to have the spoke wheels in this. The only issue with spoke wheels is that you have a possibility of a puncture in a place like this. This is what a Royal Enfield Classic or a Bullet is meant to do. It's doing so beautifully. मज़ा आ रहा है?
आप बताओ, कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा। वो मैं लेपर्ड ट्रेल पे चला गया था ना उस दिन गुड़गांव में, वो इससे भी टफ था। बस ये कि गीला है यहाँ पे, और पिलियन पे बना हुआ अकेले चलाया था ना मैंने। Okay, so this is the waterfall that we had to reach, and we have reached. This easily is the highlight of I owning this Royal Enfield Classic. Finally, some adventure that I was looking forward to. I've seen it. Rode on a very, very challenging off-road trail with a pillion. The bike and its torque that everybody talks about was amazing. So this is the Nepal Tourism Board's cycle yatra.
So let's go up close and check out this waterfall, the very famous Budar waterfall. The cyclists are enjoying this after a very hard ride. The man responsible for organizing this with the Nepal Tourism, Bharat Vikram Shah, is with us today, and let's chat with him and understand further.
नमस्कार, मैं भरत विक्रम शाह। फारेस्ट सीजन में मैं रहता हूँ और फारेस्ट सीजन में मैं साइकिल के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ। अभी हम डोटी के जोराइल गांव पालिका वड़ा नंबर 2 में अवस्थित बुडर झरना के एक प्रांगण में खड़े हैं। आप देख सकते हो झरना ये काफ़ी बड़ा रहता है एकदम यहाँ तक, लेकिन आगे गांव में वहाँ पे खेती के टाइम में वो लोग पानी उधर कर देते, इसलिए थोड़ा पानी कम हुआ है। बहुत सारा लोग यहाँ आते हैं, दिन में दसों हज़ार लोग आते हैं झरना को देखने के लिए, और ये यहाँ के लिए एकदम सुदूर पश्चिम आने वाले लोगों के लिए एक बेस्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे भी आता है। जैसे आप सारे नेपाल इंडिया के राइडर हम यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, आज सरदार जी आए हैं, हमारे साथ आए हैं, यहाँ पे सब लोग हैं। आप लोग भी आइएगा, अगर नेपाल आ रहे हो तो बुडर झरना के बारे में आप लोग ज़रूर पता कर लीजिएगा, या तो मैं कहीं से मेरे थ्रू भरत शाह करके मुझे सोशल मीडिया में ढूंढ लीजिए, मुझसे कनेक्ट हो जाइएगा, आपको इसके बारे में बता दूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Bharat ji.
थैंक यू।
So this clearly was the highlight of my trip to Nepal, and now I go back to my hotel and I'll bring to you some more content from Nepal in the coming episodes. Until then, keep watching Zing Thing, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.